Welcome back to my channel. The coin spotted today is best coins, one you want to miss. We're diving into the world of United State coins. Please don't skip this video, so let's get it. Started the 2002 UK 10 pence 10p coin featuring Queen Elizabeth II, standard circulation issue, Cupro nickel mintage, and background year 2002. Total minted for general circulation 80,934,000. Coins part of the small size 10p series introduced in 1992, diameter 24.5 millimeters. 6.5 grams physical specifications composition. Cupro nickel 75% Cu, 25% weight. 6.50 G diameter. 24.5 thickness. Approximately 1.85 edge. Milled reeded obverse design portrait. Fourth mature crowned head of Queen Elizabeth II, facing right. Wearing the girls of Great Britain and Ireland. TR designer, Ian Rank Broadley. Initials IRB appear beneath the bust. Legend reads, Elizabeth II DG Reg, FD 2002 De Gratia, Regina Fidei. Defentratrix reverse design features, the crowned lion passant guardant from England's Royal Arms. With the denomination, the 10 below and 10 pence, above designer, Christopher, iron set inscription, 10 pence and numeral 10 edge. Plain milled. No lettering. Monetary status. Legal tender. Up to £5 in a single transaction still found in circulation. Until metal change in 2012. 13 value and collectability. Typical values. Extremely fine XF tilde. Pound 0.50 uncirculated UNC. Tilde. 50 brilliant uncirculated boo. Tilde. For United States dollars, €3 for dollars. Generally regarded as common and not rare. Most dates, including 2002, remain quite affordable unless errors are present. Gold-proof issue. Commemorating the Golden Jubilee. Background and rarity year 2002 to mark Queen Elizabeth II's Golden Jubilee, issued in 22-karat gold. Fineness of 0.9167, 91.67%. Extremely limited mintage. Officially limited to 2002 pieces. Worldwide physical specifications. Metal content 12.65 grams total. 11.596 grams pure gold. Diameter 24.50 millimeters. Same as circulation. Coin finishing. Proof quality. Mirror-like fields. Frosted devices. Often graded PR69 or better. Design and features averse. Same IRB portrait by Ian Rank Broadley. With Elizabeth II, DG Reg FD 2002. Legend reverse, crowned lion passant design by Christopher Ironside. Same as circulation but struck in gold value and market, typically priced between £1,250, £1,309 or more. In proof certified slabs, for example, PCGS PR69DCAM. Highly collectible due to limited issue. Prestige. In proof, quality strong premium over face value comparison. Summary feature, circulation coin. 2002 gold proof coin, 2002 mintage, approximately 80.9 million only. 2002 pieces, worldwide metal and weight. Cu 6.5 G, 12.65 G diameter and thickness, 24.5 millimeters times approximately 1.85 millimeters. Same diameter. Proof finish design. Obverse Ian Rank Broadley portrait. Same as circulation design. Reverse crowned lion by Christopher Ironside. Same motif in proof quality. Catalog value common 50 pence, £4 pound. 1,200, 1,300 pounds plus. Depending on grade. Collectability common in circulation, extremely scarce. Collector's item. Additional notes: the standard 2002 10p is considered common and widely circulated. DIT typically has low collector interest unless in perfect, uncirculated condition or showing error. Varieties. The gold-proof version, by contrast, is highly prized due to its low mintage and commemorative significance. Many sold through the Royal Mint as part of Golden Jubilee numismatic releases, available in proof sets or brilliant uncirculated sets, including special gift or wedding sets. These variants have separate mintages, around approximately 60,000 pieces, but are still copper nickel, not gold. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.